Hi, today we are going to see how to create a bar graph in Google Sheet. First of all, you have to go to a browser. In the search bar, type sheets.google.com. First of all, open a demo. I am using this demo. After that, select the range of cell containing the data to be visualized. The data range we want to visualize through the chart. Click in the Insert menu bar. Then click on Chart. Here, a column chart is created with the title and with axis level automatically generated. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, give the thumbs up and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching the video.